Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a Kiehl's review video. You guys know that I love Kiehl's and you guys seem to be loving Kiehl's as well. In today's video I have a review of the Kiehl's Age Defender Eye Repair Eye Cream. I'm gonna talk about the application, the purpose, the results and so much more regarding this little bad boy. But before I start, if you're new here, then I would love to if you could subscribe to my channel and join the family. We are slowly but surely growing and I would love to have you back. If you click the subscribe button, that definitely means the world to me. Now, this little boy is an eye cream from Kiehl's and it is part of the Age Defender range. Now, the Age Defender range from Kiehl's is a collection or is a range dedicated for the men out there. I know I've talked about men's skincare in the past, why brands shouldn't really specifically target a category for men, because this Age Defender, anybody can use it, doesn't have to be a man, and this is, I guess, just a marketing purpose or just a marketing technique that brands or skincare brands nowadays do. But in general, the Age Defender is targeted for men and for mature men skin. Now, you must be wondering, why am I using a anti-aging eye cream? I mean, why the hell not? Who doesn't like to pump up their under eyes and furrows, wrinkles, in order to avoid any more wrinkles or dark circles? So I'm just on the Kiehl's website, and what is the purpose of the Age Defender eye cream? So it helps to visibly correct aging skin around the eye, to firm sagging, reduce the appearance of dark circles, and visibly resurface crow's feet for a smoother, more youthful appearance. Our multi-action formula with rye seed extract helps visibly strengthen skin for a recharged eye power boost. And so basically this is a anti-aging eye cream for dark under eye circles. And basically, what is it good for? It's good for dark circles, to appear reduced for younger looking skin, and also the skin feels firmer. So these are basically the key aspects or the key benefits of this eye cream. And you guys, I have been using this eye cream for good 3 months. I'm gonna talk about the results in a second, but let's go through the ingredients. Now, the ingredients, there are 3 main key ingredients highlighted in this eye cream. The first one is the rye seed extract. So this is known to encourage the production of elements that give the skin its mechanical properties. Their formula with rye seed extract helps to improve firmness, smoothness of the skin, as well as the crow's feet area. So this is basically the key ingredient to give the skin a nice firm and smoothness of the skin. The second key ingredient is the linseed extract. Now, the linseed extract is expressed from the oil-rich seeds of the flax flower. The formula helps to reduce wrinkles and visibly firms the skin. So basically, these 2 ingredients really work well together. And the last key ingredient in this eye cream is the blurring minerals. Now, the blurring minerals reflects light and helps to minimize the appearance of dark circles and brighten the eye area. So basically, it's like a brightening effect. It's like a mineral which works really well together with the rye seed extract and the linseed extract. So basically, the seeds are there to really pump up the skin, helps with wrinkles and helps with firmness as well. And some other ingredients in this, well, it has glycerin in this, it has cocoa seed butter, it has butter as well, it has also shea butter as well. It also has some citric acids inside, like lemon, citric acid and vitamin C acids. And the good thing about this, it doesn't have any alcohol and it doesn't have any fragrance, which is amazing. So as I said, I have been using it since 3 months. I have to use it in the beginning, I really remember really well. I've used it in the beginning of December, for this all month in December, January, February, and now we are in March. So I used it 3 months and plus, basically. And the way I use it basically described also the same on the website. So using the fingertip, apply a small amount of an our anti-aging eye cream for men along the bone and under the eye area, and pat gently without pulling the skin, and it can be used morning and night. And you guys, I love using this at night time. Sometimes I skip in the morning time because I feel like I don't really need it in the morning, because my under eyes are perfectly fine when I use it the day before at the night, because it really fills the wrinkles, and I love using it in the night time. I've been using it for a good 3 months. Every night under my eyes, what I did, I took my ring finger and gently patted on my skin without pulling the skin. It's really important that you use the ring finger, because the ring finger is the one skin fingertip which is very sensitive as well, so it's not very harsh. So you put it very gently around your eyes, just pat it, don't rub it, and don't be aggressive around your eye area, because we all know the under eye area is the most sensitive skin, or the most thinnest skin that we have, which is the under eye. So be gentle around your eye area, which I have been. And let's talk about quickly the texture. The texture is a very, I'm gonna do some close-ups, it's a very rich, moisturizing, nourishing cream. It's a very rich buttery cream, which is amazing. I love eye creams like that, because I know that they're really packed with full nutrients, full powerful ingredients, and it really works. I love eye creams like that, like a really nice, like buttery almost feeling eye cream, which is amazing. And honestly, my under eyes drinks this up, and it absorbs very nicely onto the skin as well. And as I said, it doesn't have any fragrance inside, which is amazing, but it has a slight kind of very clean, I can smell these kind of seeds, and you know how some vitamin E creams smell? This is how it smells, like very nice, very clean, very soft, very gentle and subtle smell it has. So it has no fragrance inside, which is amazing. So I really like in terms of this as well. And it absorbs very nicely onto the skin, and as I said, I don't use it in the morning, because the next day when I wake up, my skin feels much more brighter, much more firmed. I love it, has a very good firming properties of it. And this is the key note I have to say, because I can see in the mirror as well that my under eyes have a very nice firmness, which I was lacking before. And this eye cream really helped with the firmness of my under eyes. The second notice I have made with this eye cream is my dark circles. Normally, I don't suffer with dark circles at all. Well, I do, but not a lot. At the moment, I'm wearing a bit of concealer, but I'm going to do some close-ups for you guys so you guys can see. I don't suffer with dark circles a lot compared to other people. Touch wood, honestly, like some people have way more bad under eyes than I have. So I feel like I'm a bit more okay-ish with my under eyes, but I do have under eye circles, like the dark ones, especially around here at the front, like around my corner of the eye. I have dark circles in here, whereas in here I'm much more better. In here I have a lot of dark circles, so this has improved my dark circles as well, which is absolutely amazing. And this is basically the constant use of it, and you have to be very patient and give the eye cream a good chance in order to work, because it doesn't work overnight. You have to wear it and test it and literally give it some time in order for the magic to happen. So I used it for good 3 months straight, and honestly, no joke. And another thing with this, it does say with wrinkles. I personally suffer a lot with wrinkles. I don't know if it picks up on the camera, especially in here. It doesn't really help with the wrinkles, I would say, but it is there for in the improving of the wrinkles. Of course, wrinkles are something really hard to control, and no matter if it's this eye cream, no matter if it's the world's most expensive eye cream in the world, wrinkles are something that is really hard to get rid of, except if you do Botox or under eye filler. But this doesn't really help with wrinkles if you want the eye cream with wrinkles. However, it does help a little bit with the improving of the wrinkles. Now, it does help with the under eye circles, and it helps with the firmness and so on. But the wrinkles, I must say, it only helps like 30% with wrinkles, not a lot. Maybe I have really bad wrinkles, but you never know. Eye creams and stuff like that, or any other kind of creams, they work differently around skin types and eye basically needs. So definitely see how your under eyes are, and maybe it might work for you with the wrinkle side. So let's talk about the packaging of this, and I love the Kiehl's packaging. Again, kind of standard packagings that you will always get from Kiehl's. It has the nice logos and the branding as well. Comes with a nice kind of thing stopper that helps for spilling, and it looks like this, a white cream. Doesn't come in a box, which is great, so just the classic eye cream like so. And I like it. It comes in a nice black matte packaging, which is nice. All the Age Defender range from Kiehl's come in this black packaging, which is amazing, and it stands out. Of course, it is targeted for men, but as I said, everybody and anybody can wear this range. Let's talk about the prices and the size. So this only comes in one size, which is a 14 ml, and this is a 0.5 fluid ounces, and this bad boy retails for £33, which I know is a bit expensive, which is a bit up there in price, but the Age Defender from Kiehl's, they're normally quite expensive. They're more higher end, and because they're products made with high quality ingredients that work for wrinkles, anti-aging, and kind of age defining properties. So that's why the prices of the Age Defender ranges are a bit more up there. But honestly, £33 for this. I used it for good 3 months and over, and I barely used it, and I feel like this little pot, especially you need a tiny amount of this for your under eyes, will last you for a year and more. So this will last you for a long time. So if you break down the price by cost and by the time you wear it, it's definitely worth it. So I know that £33 is a bit more up there in price if you splurge it on one little eye cream, but trust me, it's worth the price. So you should find Kiehl's products all over in Kiehl's boutiques, and also I'm going to leave some links down below in the description for you guys to go and check it out. So what are my overall thoughts regarding this eye cream? I really like it. I feel like I'm again not disappointed with any other kind of Kiehl's products. I knew it, and I really like how it makes my under eyes feel more smoother, feel more firmed, and helps with the dark circles as well, and also gives the under eyes a nice plumpness, a nice firmness, which I am all here for. So it makes application of concealers way more easier. So it is an amazing eye cream even for before the makeup application, or just for a nice, rich, nourishing, buttery, kind of rich. I feel like I'm using the word rich a lot in this video, but you guys know what I mean. It's a very nice kind of all-in-one eye cream, which I am loving so much. And whenever I wake up the next day, my under eyes, they feel much more brighter, they feel much more smooth out, and they feel more happier, which I am looking for in eye cream. So I would definitely suggest you guys, if you're looking for a new eye cream, definitely check this out, and I'm sure you guys will not be disappointed. Alright everyone, so this was it with my review video of the Kiehl's Age Defender eye cream. So hope you guys all found this video very helpful and informative. If you enjoyed it, then please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty content like these, and also do let me know in the comments which other kind of Kiehl's products I should try out next. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you all in the next one.